So I don't have a whole lot going on today at the house. Next week's actually going to be pretty busy. Got a bunch of subs coming in to actually get started on finishing up the place. So, but I just wanted to show you guys what you can get for $22,000 basically. It's basically brand new truck, crew cab. I actually freaking love this thing, it's sick. But it only has 26,000 miles on it, super clean. And if you keep your eye out, if you're looking for a truck, you can definitely find a good deal on it. This is their base model, but it's got the dial shifter, it's got Bluetooth, it's got an awesome stereo system, huge back seat, and a bed for your dirt bike. But no, it's a pretty sweet truck. I mean, 26,000 miles, only paying, I mean, I paid, I guess, 22.5, so. But anything under 23 grand with that amount of mileage on it is a smoking deal. So this was one of the only ones that I saw out there. I was pretty much looking for everything, and this thing just happened to pop up, which was lucky for me. So definitely feel blessed to have it. But so I just got to Shelby's. He's got some bike work to do. I got some bike work to do, so we're just gonna kind of chill for the next probably hour and a half or so and work on our bikes together, makes it more fun rather than just sitting by yourself. We can make fun of each other. Since I hate working on bikes, I don't know, I think he might enjoy it more than me, but I hate it, so. But basically I just have to grease all my linkage, do an oil change, an air filter, and then I got a sprocket and chain coming next week that I need to throw on before I go to Ogden. So I got a little bit to do, but shouldn't take long. It'll be more fun with both of us in here joking around and stuff. So, but yeah, kind of show you guys what's going on. Got a sick garage setup, got both our bikes in here, and it's raining outside, so I can't even go outside anyway. So, got the Dodges, twinning, just kidding, that's gay. Let's not talk about that.
Don't waste your time with looking back. They're broken pieces of past. Come here and make some love that makes some love that lasts. Last, last, last. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts, last, last. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts, last, last. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts. You're the one I call every time that I'm in the mood. But it's not my fault that you tried to make me yours when I'm good without you. Sorry, but I can't say no to your body on my body. Boy, I'll let you hold me close, but then I gotta go. 'Cause I don't wanna give you all my time, and I don't wanna give you all of me, but I wanna give you one more night. Whoa, oh, oh. I don't wanna give you all my time, and I don't wanna give you all of me, but I wanna give you one more night. Whoa, oh, oh. I don't wanna pull me in, I don't mind, 'cause I'll push you away. Baby, I don't know how you thought I would stay with you till the morning. Sorry, but I can't say no to your body on my body. Boy, I'll let you hold me close, but then I gotta go. 'Cause I don't wanna give you all my time, and I don't wanna give you all of me, but I wanna give you one more night. Whoa, oh, oh. I don't wanna give you all my time, and I don't wanna give you all of me, but I wanna give you one told me I'd be on my own. Trying to let you go, trying to let you go. Oh baby, I was born to lose, meant nothing to no one. All the dreams and a glimpse of you, I'm just solid until your heart. One day you'll forget me. You say you'll never met me. I'll be watching you close to you. I was born to lose. I was born to lose. Your girl, but you never cared. Oh, how it is waiting here by myself. Nobody told me I'd leave there alone. You will never know. You will never know. Oh baby, I was born to lose, meant nothing to no one. All dreams and a glimpse of you, I'm just holding on to your heart. One day you'll forget me. You say you'll never met me. I'll be watching you close to you. I was born to lose. I was born to lose. I was born to lose. I was born to lose.
Small cheese, they sway me. Each night and each day I'm kind of on a dreaming about you. Oh yeah, got this world-class view, but it's you that I think about every time my mind's on it. And it's you that I think about every time when I get lonely. And it's you that I call on my FaceTime when I need something real. Oh yeah. Work the night shift till late in the PM. I'm California dreaming. Yeah, you. California dreaming about you. California dreaming about you. I've been sipping this drink too much.
Pretty sweet. Now I'm completely off the gate. Too bad I can't set it like mid-corner. Dang, dude. Flat tracker.
One time I tell them I'm California dreaming. Dreaming. California dreaming about you. California dreaming. California dreaming about you. California dreaming.
Well, me and Shelby finished up our bike work. He got his plastics on, and then I got my oil change done. I'm gonna go back and change my air filter because I'm actually able to ride tomorrow. There's a flat track event up at the track, so I didn't think I was actually going to be able to ride because the grounds were going to be closed, but it got canceled. So tomorrow is going to be my last day of seat time before I go race Ogden next week, so that'll be interesting and fun. I haven't raced in a while, so but yeah, I greased my linkage and then I got a sprocket and chain coming, so pretty much probably going to call it a day, maybe go chill for a little bit, I don't know. But tomorrow, holy crap, look at this sunset. This is gnarly, I can't see anything. That's sick. But tomorrow I'm gonna go wake up in the morning, get some seat time in, do a few motos, and then probably come home and wash the bike. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Comment below, let me know what you like, what more you want to see, and we'll see you guys later.